Hi, it's been a while. Electric bike, part 2. Let's see how fast this thing goes. Okay?
Block the wind.
We're going to a remote location in the middle of nowhere. Don't follow us. Well, you can follow us with the camera. Look at this dude. Are you recording me?
Maybe.
You're recording me?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Easy breezy beautiful.
Cover. Safety first, kids. Always wear helmets when operating motor vehicles. This is way too heavy. Arming the nuke. Nuke arm.
This is for if he gets tired after all the pedaling.
I don't need to pedal.
Oh, look at that, eh?
Okay, let's go. Test number 1, acceleration. So my 0 to 60 time is not existent because I can't hit 60 miles per hour, but it's pretty quick, obviously. It's too quick. That's why we wear the helmets. Let's do the speed test. I got an app on my phone and it tells me how fast I go. So let's do that again. You don't actually have to cut it, you can keep rolling.
Yep.
Okay, I got my phone now. It shows the speed and it has a max speed. So I'm gonna put it in here. Let's go. What did it hit? $57! Oh, look at that. Look at that. 57. That is a new record. That is way too fast for a bike. Don't speed, kids. Let's get some aerial footage. Okay? Kids? Okay. Wow. Wow. Holy. Take off. Okay. Okay, let's go. I sure had fun. So I guess we found out that it goes 57 kilometers per hour. That's pretty fast. That shouldn't be allowed. Anywho, if you like that video, guys, please hit that like button. And also, if you want to see more just weird stuff I do on this channel, hit that subscribe button. See ya! And we can hit that end record button. Wow, it's been a while. So we're gonna test out how fast this goes. So hit like, subscribe, see ya. Okay, the video's done.